Shalom, y'all. I ordered some tea from Hebrew Care and I'm gonna open it and make myself a cup and tell you guys all about it. Ooh, they are free honey sample and incense. Oh my goodness, no way. A honey sample. Oh, little tea bag. So this is what I actually ordered. I got the black and cherry hibiscus anxiety and blood pressure tea. This is caffeine free. Got the chamomile and lavender sweet tea, also caffeine free. Premium collection peach and mango black tea. This came in a variety set. Look at how beautiful the herbs are. I'm gonna try the sleep tea tonight, but I think I will do the black cherry and hibiscus anxiety and blood pressure tea. So good.